I'm in this city like a ghost. You ain't never seen me coming. Got the world on my back, but I don't care what they say, cause I know my way. The lights are flashing, but I stay low-key. Got a plan that's fooling everyone. I'm not here to play games, just to take what's mine. No looking back, no time for doubt. They talk about me, but they don't know me. I'm a storm in the night, can't be tamed or controlled. Feel the tension rise, it's getting hot, we're about to blow. Can't stop now, we're too far gone. Every move is calculated and it's strong. This ain't just a story, it's a legend being born. Watch me rewrite the rules from the start. I'm a king of the shadows, ruling this concrete jungle. No crown needed, just power and control. My name echoes through the streets, fear and respect. I'm the nightmare they all dream of. Walk through fire, I don't feel the heat. I was made for this life, this is my destiny. Ooh. Diamonds on my neck, but I prefer the ones that cut deep. Pain is my compass, guiding me through the dark. I see the future, it's written in the stars. I'll be the last one standing when the dust settles. They tried to break me, but I'm unbreakable. Forged in the flames of struggle and ambition. I'm not just a man, I'm a force of nature, unstoppable and untamable. I'm a king of the shadows.